Hi, I'm Katie, the acquisition specialist for ASAP Cash Offer in Columbus, Ohio. I'm actually here. I'm standing right off 3rd Street in German Village, just a few minutes from our office. My team and I drive High Street every single day. We know the difference between a simple cosmetic fix in Clintonville and a wet basement in the Hilltop that needs $20,000 in foundation work. And because we're local to Franklin County, we don't have to guess your home's value or wait for a lender to approve us. I'll look up the property on the auditor site, give you a call, usually from my 614 or 380 number, and we can figure out a price that works for you. Just fill out the form below. It's not going to a lead manager in another state. It comes directly to my phone. I'll look up the property on the auditor site, give you a call, usually from my 614 or 380 number, and we can figure out a price that works for you. So, skip the open houses, skip the repairs. Let's just get it done. Click the link, and I'll talk to you soon.